Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante. This car is absolutely sensational. You've got the ala system with the forged carbon fiber. This car is just amazing. Now this car is Nardo gray underneath. It's wrapped in full XPEL, it's XPEL Stealth. But you got the full carbon ceramics with the green brake caliper accents. And the best part about this car is the gold engine cover. Go ahead, hop inside. Beautiful interior. This one has the more comfortable seats. The Lamborghini carbon buckets are a bit extreme. What did you say? Alright, so to go ahead and put it in gear, you just pull the upshift paddle towards you and you are set. Alright, and to engage launch control, you turn ESC off. Where's the switch? Towards you. There we go. Left foot firm on brake. Floor the gas. And that is the most violent launch control I've ever felt in my life. This car is very quick, very fast, and very fun. And that's my favorite part of the car right there, is the crackles that it gives off. It's awesome. Before, when I drove this car, I will be honest, I didn't feel the connection. Then again, I drove it for about 15 minutes total. After driving it for a good amount of time, I totally get this car. This is something extremely special. This is by far my favorite Lamborghini I've ever driven, and possibly my favorite supercar I've driven. And that says a lot. This is so much better than the Aventador. Then again, I've driven a 2012 base Aventador, but this is very, very unique, very special. And I love the Alcantara wheel. There's really not a part about this car that I don't like other than it's not mine. And then if you want to just relax, you can put it up into Strata mode. It quiets down. It's like an Audi. It's like a big, fast Audi. But where's the fun in that? Let's go back into Corsa mode. That's where the fun's at. I'm in love, man. This is something so special. Oh, how much is a lottery ticket again? This dual clutch system is so much better than the E-Gear of years past, and obviously it's better than the single clutch that's in the Aventador. And even though some people might argue that it does lack the character of slamming you between gear shifts, yeah, no, this one slams you just as good and proper. This is not at all lacking the character that every Lamborghini should have. If anything, it enhances it and makes it more usable. Overall, after driving it, visibility is excellent. It's even better than my Challenger Scat Pack, which is a relatively affordable, daily drivable car. It's the windshield or the dashboard breaks down pretty low, so you can see everything in front of you, and there hasn't been an issue other than maybe the rear three-quarter view where I've wanted to see more, but they're gonna get that with almost any rear engine car. I don't know, I think this gearbox is very close to PDK for me liking it. It's very usable around town. It doesn't burn up the clutch or anything like that. And it's very, very good. And when you're getting on it, it's awesome. that's where this car just excels. And I can't imagine what it's like on a proper track. It's just point and shoot, and because of the all-wheel drive, it's planted, and really it doesn't, there's nothing wrong with this car. This is amazing. This is better than the GT3 RS. It is 100%. But thank you guys all so much for watching, and this is just a journey that's taken 3 years and led up to something like this. I couldn't have asked for a better fans. This is awesome. So stay tuned for future videos and have a great night.